Hello guys, so if you find it hard for you to understand this, I'm going to play for you the whole shape, the G sharp minor pentatonic scale shape, all right? And then whenever you see from that diagram where you see a red dot, that one represents a minor note. And then where you see numbers on top of the red dots and the black dots, those numbers represent your fingers. If it's a 1, that represents your first finger. If it's a 2, it represents your second finger. If it's a 3, like that, third finger. If it's a 4, it's a fourth finger. Okay? So, first of all, let me show you the shape. So, step 2, now these are the dots that you see are in red. The dots that are in red. Now, those are the minor root notes. And here they are. The first note is located on the second fret, 6th string. That's the G sharp note. Again, play the pattern. The second root note, the second G sharp root note, is located on the 4th fret, 4th string. Here, continue playing the pattern. And the last note, the last minor root note on the first pattern of the G sharp minor is located on the 2nd fret, 1st string. So those are your targets. All right. Good luck, guys.